This is a 2010 Challenge Titan 200. It's a 20-inch paper cutter, programmable computer with up to 99 programs and 99 cuts per program. It's got all the other programmable features. You can put, a series of cuts in. You can have it push the paper out when between cuts, so on and so forth. This is the exact same model as selling brand new today. It's in amazing condition. Came out of a school board in-plant print shop. It was, we'll show you here in a second, I think it only has 4,000 cycles on it. They didn't even break it in. You can tell here they didn't even unwrap the knife changing tools from Challenge. And this is their extra blade. They never even got to the point where they put it in or changed the cut stick out. This is all the original packaging. So it's pretty much a brand new paper cutter. There's pretty much no use on it. I mean, 4,000 cuts is, again, not even one blade change. They didn't even bother taking this paper off. We just removed this. It's like brand new glass. This cutter costs over $16,000 new. Again, it's a 2010 year. It has the extra price new is for the safety beams here. The cutter shuts off. It's also single phase 230 power, which is pretty much any facility will have that. It's not like a three-phase machine. It's also really well built compared to a lot of these small cutters. It actually has a 1-inch thick solid aluminum table. It's not just a piece of sheet metal. So we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and show you the screen here. Actually, I said too many. You see there at the bottom it says machine count 3,763. That's, I mean, some cutters we get in have 500,000, millions of cycles sometimes. This is just not even broken in. Go ahead and run a program here, or at least run some cuts.
No.
You got a program set up?
I got something in here.
Okay. So you can see as a program, so we're going to do 9, 6.5, then let's go back to 8.5, 6, 7, so on and so forth. You make the programs right there on that screen. It's very easy to set them up. I believe it'll also make one as you go as well. It has a foot pedal clamp, again a feature you won't get on most of the small cutters. You can actually manually drop the clamp like that. Set your paper up.
It's also on wheels.
Yeah, it's also on casters. You can move it around really easily, or you can also lock them and run it. See that the program's automatically moving the back gauge. It's also got a cut line there.
Oh, I messed it up.
Oh.
That's alright. That's fine.
There we go. We're just skipping one of our cuts there. Going right to the next cut in the series, 6.5. You can see the screen there, it's on cut number 4. He's cycling it now. Now it's going to move. It's going to push the paper out and then go to 7 inches. Pushes the paper out so you don't have to reach underneath the knife if you don't want to. It's at 7 there.
Now we're just making a bunch of 1-inch cuts.
Yep, making some 1-inchers. It's coming up to 6. That's our last cut. Gonna push our stock out a little bit.
Exit the program. And we can go to, I don't know, pushing the buttons wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, send canceled.
There we go.
Now I can go, say I just want to cut it 10 inches.
Put 10 in.
I can make a cut. It'll go right to 10 inches. Maybe your next cut is 5.5. So you can do manual cutting like semi-automatic. You can just punch your numbers in and tell it to go. You want to go back to your program, you hit job. There's only one in there, so I hit 1, hit enter. Pulls that back up and I can go to where I left off, hit send, and I can continue to cut my job.
You can also move it manually here, right?
This is your, yes, like, so if we go into manual, this moves the back gauge. This is like your hand wheel. So if I go way up here, it's fast. If I go down here, it's slow. So the closer I am to this is slow. See how the arrow gets bigger?
Mm-hmm.
So this is forward. And this is backwards. So if you want to make a real minute adjustment, see, I could just touch real close, and it just moves a couple thousandths.
Cool. So we got, again, 2010 model Challenge Titan 20 hydraulic paper cutter, 20-inch paper cutter, like brand new, not even 4,000 cuts. See that cut line there? Includes all the blade changing tools and the extra blade and extra cut sticks, which haven't even been opened yet. So, so new.